Yeah, I'm getting.
Okay, YouTube, my little sister is gonna drink a whole bottle of salt
It's
and
not
see what
that
happens.
much, but
Last
see
time
what
she
happens.
did this, she threw up. So.
I don't even remember doing this, but okay.
You did it last
Hold
year.
on, let me get away. Hey! No.
Kira, stop. It's her video. No. Bad. No, you're gonna drink the whole bottle if you're gonna do it, bro. Do it right.
Okay. I just you too.
Look at your tongue. Get some food.
It looks like a lot of tongue. Swallow. Swallow, you got it. Swallow. Oh,
Oh, that's hurting my mouth just even thinking about it. Oh, I told you. Oh, it's nasty. Bye. Yoshi, YouTube, this was a Yoshi production. Yoshi! Sorry, YouTube, shouldn't have said no. Shouldn't have said goodbye. Here. Here's what you gotta do if your tongue starts to go like this. Feel it. In order for her mouth to stop bleeding. And what is behind me? Really, Anna? Okay, you guys figured it out in the best. You're cleaning that up. Alright, YouTube, so again, it's been Yoshi Productions, and goodbye, Yoshi!